What's up, guys? We're gonna be doing a burping challenge.
Yes!
Yeah, but we can't make this video too long. Well, actually, we can make it pretty long, I think. Just do this video quick so we can put it on in shot and then like do stuff and then yeah. Now let's see you guys burp.
Okay. You have to drink the rest.
No.
That counts as another burp. Ha! He's gonna lose. Pause it. Okay, pretend now you're drinking. Pause it. Okay. Okay, that's all the water. What is wrong with you? Come on! You suck at this.
Pausing the film.
Okay,
Okay.
now he's gonna drink the water. Pause it. Looks like he drank all the water. Let's see how he did. You drank all this water and you suck.
Okay, that's
That's us, everybody. Now, please subscribe and comment down in the comments down
if
below.
you like that.
Who do you think won?